welcome back to my channel. Today I have Hermes unboxing for you. Like I told you on my last video, I have been very choosy about my purchases. I've been shopping a lot less. I also have to catch you up on my purchases because I didn't release videos for almost a year and I have done some shopping during this year, and I want to talk to you about some of the items that I purchased throughout this year that I didn't release videos because there are some really good buys in there. I want to give you the tips, and I feel like now I can give you pretty fair reviews on those items because I have used them and I know if they are a good buy or not, right? So I do have some unboxings and some hauls coming for you. Today we're gonna talk about my last Quota bag score at Hermes, which was here at the Hermes boutique in Orlando. Everybody here in Orlando is really amazing. I love the team here. They are all very kind to me. I have not been at the store in a hot minute because I have been dealing with so many health issues, if you watched on my last video, that I feel like I just kind of disappeared from Hermes. I got something for my husband for Christmas, which I'll show you on another video, but after that I kind of disappeared. My SA is probably upset at me for not showing up because, you know, Hermes, you have to be there kind of supporting the brand in order to score the bags. But guys, my health battles just have taken priority and shopping has been at the very bottom of my priority list, right? So today I'm looking very summery, as you can tell, and I want to show you my jewelry that I am wearing today. This is from my brand Azulique. This is our summer collection, which is called Mermaid Core. The pieces on this collection are so incredibly beautiful and unique. This is really made in small little workshops by artisans that are putting our pieces together, and I wanted to show you a few of them in case you are interested in some fabulous resort pieces for summer. Seashells, which in Brazil we call buzios. So this one is actually a cuff and it has the beautiful blue stones. Look at this, how beautiful. And then as part of the same collection we have the Aquamarine bracelet, and I actually stack them together. And this is an elevated resort collection, and you can see how elevated it looks with this beautiful linen blouse. I feel like your vacation, you know, in Italy, in Greece. This is the necklace that I'm wearing. It is called the Oceanna, and look at these individual sea creatures. Look at this. We have an octopus, we have sand dollars. This is just so beautiful. You can do it as a choker, or it has a little bit of an extender so you can adjust how long it looks on you. And I stacked it with our initial necklace. This is C for Crystal, which is my daughter. I also have an E for Erica. Look at this, how gorgeous. The Caspian earrings. How beautiful is this, you guys? So here you can see they're medium size, so comfortable. And we also have the Oceanna bracelet to match the necklace. Look at this, I can't, you guys. Check this out. So beautiful. With the necklace matching. And these are the stingray earrings. These were a bestseller. They sold out and I actually had to bring more. Now, if you like something with a little bit more of a drop, we have the Oceanna bead necklace. Look how beautiful. I feel like this is a super sexy look. You can also make it lower. So this is with it lower if you want it more dripping on your chest. How beautiful. They're seashells. All 18 karat gold bath. Just look at this with the bracelets. How bougie. This is the Triton necklace. This is a seahorse, but this one has colored crystals. And we have the earrings to match. These are the earrings up close. And this is the necklace. These are the Aquamarine earrings that actually match the bracelets. They have the Brazilian buzios, seashells, and then the little blue crystals on them. So many beautiful things. Impossible to show you everything here. Please go check it out. The links are below. It's made with so much love in Brazil. I am so proud of our collection. Just posting on Instagram, everything sold out. This that you are seeing, these are restocks of everything. I hope you guys love it. And now let's talk some Hermes. And let's unbox this baby, which is a fake unboxing like I told you. This baby deserves a proper unboxing, right? We have to have this go down in history. Ta-da-da! Let's bring it from its cradle. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Check this out, my black Kelly 25 gold hardware Togo leather. This is the Kelly return, not the Cellier, and we're gonna talk a lot about that because I thought I did not want to return. The Cellier has always been the one on my list, so let's Open everything nice and take the felt protection. Okay. Inside, we have this pouch for the strap right here, totally removable. And then the second pouch, look, it's the little lock, the clochette. Let's do an up close. How beautiful, with the key right here. Check it out, check it out. My little key to heaven. It comes with 2 keys actually, look. We have 2 keys that open this lock. Okay, and then the Hermes lock still has the sticker on. I gotta remove the sticker on everything. Now let's talk about the Kelly return, right? Because here's the thing. I thought I never wanted a Kelly return. I am a person that I normally like structured bags, so the Cellier is usually what I go for, is what I had on my list. My mini Kellys are Cellier, which is super hard. This is a bit softer, a bit more of a casual look, right? But here's what has happened with my experience with Cellier. So the Cellier comes in Epsom leather, which is a bit harder. It has a thick coating on top to give you that really structured look, which makes the Epsom leather not very flexible, right? And I got my special order Birkin in Epsom leather, and that was the hugest mistake. Unless you are getting a Birkin on the Cellier model, a Birkin on Epsom leather was terrible, okay? I am so careful with it. I barely use it because it is very structured, and what happens is it gets a wrinkle. If it's laying a certain way, it gets a wrinkle, and it doesn't really come off that easily at all, if it comes off at all. When I got offered this bag, of course I'm not gonna say no to a Kelly 25 black with gold hardware, regardless of what it was, right? But I thought at first, I was like, ugh, it is not a Cellier, man, damn, but I'm gonna take it, right? So I bought it. Guys, I love it. I absolutely love this bag. Cellier is Epsom leather. It's hard. It gets those wrinkles. It's a bit harder to open and close. This bag is just flexible and delicious and much easier for you to open and close because the leather doesn't have the heavy coating. So you get in and out so easily. It has this more casual look, which I think is very chic and very in right now. If you look at what people are going for in terms of bags, you know, the roll, you see people stepping on their Birkins on their feet on TikTok right now to make their Birkins have that more used vibe. And actually, now that I have had the experience to have Birkins, have Kellys, have mini Kellys in different leathers, I will tell you that Togo is my favorite leather. Every single Birkin from now on, if I do have a choice, I will go for Togo leather. It just holds up better. And then same thing for the Kelly. The Togo is flexible, so if it's moving around, it doesn't get wrinkles because the leather is more flexible. Do you see what I'm saying? Maybe you might get a little bit annoyed because this part here on top is a little bit more flexible and not as structured as a Cellier would be, but I just think this bag is a look that's gonna be good forever. It's low maintenance. You are not so worried about it. You know that Togo leather is amazing for maintenance. It doesn't require any babying. It doesn't scratch very easily at all. So the leather to begin with is amazing. And I think the return model just is the cherry on top to make this a bag that you can dress up, dress down, make. I think it's like casually chic. You're not trying too hard, and it is more practical because, like I said, it is easier to open, to get your things in and out. The leather is so flexible, and then I don't need to worry if I'm messing up with the leather to open and close that the leather is gonna look bad, because that is absolutely the case with my Epsom leather Birkin. You open and you close, and then it gets that wrinkle, and it doesn't not come off. It's like you bent the leather. This will not happen with your Kelly return. Everything you want to do with this bag, it's gonna look beautiful and amazing, and it's low maintenance. Talk about a bag for life, for like real life, that you do not have to worry about. Amazing. I'm so happy I got it. I was a bit disappointed at first when I opened it up, you know, at the store, but I had it in my head that I wanted a Cellier all along, you know. So when I opened the bag and I saw that it was a return, I was like, you know. But after using this bag, after carrying this bag and seeing how easy it is, this is exactly what an expensive bag should be like. Low maintenance. You don't have to worry about it getting scratching easily, babying. It's a bag that you can take every everywhere you can travel with. I have traveled with this bag. You guys know this is a fake unboxing, right? Took this bag to Spain. Super easy on my suitcase. I put a bunch of stuff inside it. Walked around all day. It fits a ton. Okay, this is your size 25. It has, let me show you the inside. It has a pocket right here, right? And then it also has a zippered pocket right here, which I love for your wallet and your valuables. But my gosh, isn't this so spacious? It is a 25, guys. I was worried that the 25 was going to be tiny. Not at all. This is amazing. Check it out, how chic. Let's talk about the price, because I'm sure you want to know that. So it is $11,300 plus tax. I cannot give you the total because I bought a couple other things. I bought Twilly. I bought a Calvi holder that I even forgot about. I'll show you that in another video. I am a happy mofo. Because here's the thing, right? In terms of looks, I like the Birkin better. The Birkin is my bag. Like, I love the Birkin, is my favorite from Hermes, okay? But this is so much more practical. I never take my Birkins on my trips because they're bulky as hell on the suitcase. You can only take it on your carry-on. You're not gonna check in your Birkin because you're not crazy, right? And it takes your entire carry-on because of the structure of it, right? And then when you take it out, safety is an issue because you cannot close a Birkin. Here you can close it and lock it. For a robber to take this, and this was a little bit of comfort for me in Barcelona, because if you know, Barcelona pickpocketers are absolutely insane. And although we might get a little bit mad that this is a few steps for us to open the bag to get our stuff, this was amazing for Barcelona. So if you're looking for practicality, the Cali, hands down, is the best option. The Birkin doesn't even compare. No shoulder strap, right? So this has a shoulder strap, so you can remove it and make it super like foo-foo, or you can make it more casual. I wore it crossbody, not a problem at all. So if you are looking for a bag that you're truly going to carry all the time and get tons of wear out of, the Cali is better than the Birkin. So all in all, Mama is a happy camper right now. I have a few more Hermes items that I want to show you on upcoming videos, but would love to hear what you think of the return versus the Cellier, Cali versus Birkin. But I will tell you, this has been my latest purchase and my most used bag so far. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you check out Azulique for beautiful, chic, elevated resort jewelry directly from Brazil. And I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.